Hey, what's up people? Today I'm going to show you how to do a gun noise or a machine gun noise and a water kind of. And so here you go. So first you want to put your lips like this. Okay, so like that. And then if you guys know what, like, do this, like, you guys can do that, then you guys have no problem doing this. And yeah, that's how you do it. So so if you guys know how to do this, then you have no problem doing it. And then yeah, another thing I can show you is how to do the gun, reload, and shotgun. Okay, so all you want to do is just like put your lips like this, and then say chick chick, chick chick, chick chick. See, chick chick, chick chick. And then ready? There you go, guys. And if you guys need more help from doing that, and I got more gun noises and mouse noises, I can do it with my mouth. Thank you, guys. Wait. Never mind, I'm not leaving. Okay, so all you want to do is just go like this. Wait, guys, I have to balance. No, I can't. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I kind of got all wrong. Okay, well, okay, so you got this. Okay, and then for the gun reloading and machine gun noise, you go this. So it looks like a kid in some instead of this. Pretend like you're saying chick 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 chick. Now do it really fast. And now you want to do this. See, guys, there you go, guys. Yeah, and please subscribe and like and comment below. And yeah, bye. Peace out. Peace.